Flip Your Dog friends again. Thanks for joining us online. So this is going to be a 10-15 minute morning yoga routine for moms and kids before they start their schoolwork. So you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, let's come on to all fours. You're going to take your hands and your shoulders and your knees under your hips, and we're going to move through some cat-cows. Or maybe they could be tigers and koalas.
Yes.
You like koalas.
Yes.
So as you round your back like an angry cat, right? Let's call this tiger. Chin to chest, tuck your tailbone. As you inhale, let's come into koala. Lift your heart, lift your eyes. And again, tuck your tailbone, become that angry tiger. Inhale, open it. Do it one more time. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift and open. And then tucking our toes, let's come into our down dog, our puppy dog. So you can wag your tail a little. Maybe you want to try lifting a leg. Ooh, yeah. Nice, guys. And then maybe lift your other leg. And then we want to look at our hands and feet. Put your hands down, or your feet down. Look at your hands. Make sure they're facing straight ahead. Your index finger, so this pointer finger is at 12 o'clock. And then I'm going to look back at my toes. And I want my toes facing forward too. My heels don't have to touch the floor, but I want my toes forward, right? And I'm going to start to tiptoe my feet all the way up to the top of my mat. Hang over into our forward fold. You can find your elephant trunk and just kind of wave side to side. Releasing those arms slowly. See if you can roll all the way up, growing tall and strong like a giant tree. Take your arms up. Exhale, come right back in. Dive over like you're diving off a diver's board. Bring your hands to your shins and see how long you can reach through the top of your head like a little turtle. Exhale, plant your hands, and you're going to step into your plank pose. Nice strong pose, right? Drop your knees. Here comes your crocodile. Bend your elbows, lower, and release. Reaching back the arms along beside you. See if you can float your hands, float your legs, reach, reach, reach. And exhale, bring your hands back, press all the way back into child's pose. Come back to all fours, lift your hips down, dog. Walking the feet to the backs of your hands, tiptoe it up, tiptoe it up. Press the floor away, breathe in, grow long, reach just like you got out of bed as far as you can. And right back in, fold. Inhale, bring your hands to your shins, reach long to the back of your neck. And hands down, step into plank. Okay, again, knees or toes, lower all the way to your tummy. Reach back long beside you, fly, Superman, right? Woo.
Or snake.
Or snake, yeah. Bringing your hands back, press all the way back. Come back forward to all fours, tuck your toes, and lift up. So in our earlier class, we played with those little frog hops. Let's give those a couple go too, right? So take a little hop, take a little hop, take one big more hop to the top of your mat. We're gonna roll all the way up. And bring your hands down in front of your heart. Nice, you guys feeling warm?
Yeah.
Let's work on our balance, right? So standing, can we all stand on our left foot? Maybe. We're going to take our right foot and we come into tree. Have you guys done tree pose?
Yes.
So you can put your foot on the floor, or maybe your calf, or maybe up here on your thigh. Nice. Hands can come to prayer. Or maybe you want long, strong, tall branches. You can take them up overhead. Nice. And then maybe you're a palm tree, right? We'd all like to be at the beach right now, right?
Yeah.
Wave. All right, let that one go. Two sides, guys. Let's balance on our right foot. So who's right-handed?
Me.
Right.
I mean, not.
You're left-handed. If you're right-handed, this side might be your stronger side.
No, it's not. Oh,
it's not? You never know side to side. So find your strong tree.
I can't do it. Am I left-handed?
So try to stand tall. Try to find your balance. It's hard. It's not just you. You got your tree. You got your trees. Wave. Nice. And let it go. Very good. That's hard.
Yes.
Take an inhale. Let's reach up nice and strong. Exhale, fold. Walking yourself back out into your down dog. And then wag your tail, wag your tail. We're gonna take our left heel. Can you lift it up? Stretch it up. And then we're gonna bring that left foot and you're gonna step it right by your left thumb. Let's come up into unicorn. So press the floor away as you stand tall. Nice big unicorn, right? All right, we're gonna play with this. So from unicorn, I wanna come forward and I'm gonna be an airplane. And then I'm gonna step right back, I'm gonna be a unicorn. And then I'm gonna reach forward, fly. It's okay if you wobble, it's supposed to be fun.
I can do it.
Land, stand tall at the top of your mat. Good job, guys. Breathe in, reach up, reach, reach, reach. And forward fold. Breathe in as you bring your hands to your shins. Try to really stretch out long. And hands down. Let's step back. Nice strong plank pose. Can you press the floor away? And then, have you guys done mountain climbers?
No. Yes.
We're gonna bring one knee in, and we're gonna switch. And we're gonna switch. And we're gonna switch. For 5, switch. 4, switch. 3, you got it. 2, and 1. Come back to your plank. Down dog. Whew, that was rough. Let's wiggle our tails out. Work that one out. So one more time, we're gonna play with that unicorn to airplane. So let's take our right heel up this time. Stretch. Bring your right knee through. Step your right foot by your right thumb. Inhale as you press the floor away. Reach long. And then let's come forward, airplane. Balance on that right foot. Step back. That's funny, I am too. My left side's better. Come forward, but I'm right-handed.
I am.
We're the same, buddy. Step back, inhale. Can you do it one more time? Airplane, fly, fly. Whoa, dive her down. Feet land. Stand up tall. Whew. All right.
Mountain pose.
Mountain pose. Let's reach back. Sit back. Now inhale, stand up tall and jump. Reach back. Stand up tall and jump. 2 more times. Reach up. Stand up tall. 1 more big jump. Whew. Mountain pose. Breathe in, arms up. Exhale, come on over. Hands to shins. Lengthen through the crown of your head. Step into your plank. All right. You've got 5 more mountain climbers. You guys got this? Reach in. Switch. 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 3, 2, 1. Down dog. Whoo, wiggle your tail, wag your tail. And then let's drop down onto our knees. Cross the ankles over and have a seat just into an easy pose. So legs are just gently crossed. All right, let's sit nice and tall. After all that movement, we're just gonna find a little bit of calm energy here. So bring your hands into your heart center. Can you start to feel your heartbeat beneath your hands? As you inhale, let's reach up. And as you exhale, come over, reaching as far as you can. Take 3 deep breaths. Feeling your heartbeat now. Press against your legs for 2. And 1. Slowly roll it up. Take a deep breath in, circle the palms. Exhale, cool that energy down to your heart. Do it one more time. Inhale.